We're thrilled to have Maria Wirries co-hosting with us today, but the real treat is to see her perform. She was born in Haiti and raised here on the Suncoast. She's a singer, a dancer, and a composer, and we're so honored to have her as today's Sounds of the Suncoast. Take it away.
Would ya look at that coffered ceiling? Look at the chandelier. Excuse me, but how I'm feeling is 100 proof I could raise the roof. I'm so happy to be here. I've been kinda missing Mom and Daddy, sort of in a spin since Cincinnati. The morning flight, a major bore, but then they opened that cabin door and Zootalore, here I am. Lord knows I had the will and the resources, but Mom and Dad kept saying, hold your horses. I guess those ponies couldn't wait. Pardon me, folks, but they've left the gate. I may be late, but here I am. Ah, the way to be, to me, is French. The way they say la vie is French. So here I am, bon a big 2 weeks on the Riviera. If I'm only dreaming, please don't wake me. Let the summer sun and breezes take me. Excuse me if I seem jejune. I promise I'll find my marble soon. But everywhere I look, it's like a scene from a book. Open the book and here I am. I mean, the air is French, that chair is French, the nice, sincere Sancerre is French, the skies are French, the pies are French, those guys are French, the fries are French. Pardon me if I fly off the handle, 'cause nowhere else on earth can hold a candle. So vini, vidi, vici, folks, let's face it, je suis ici, folks. Excusez-moi if I spout, I'm letting my sentence go out. I'm sorry to shout, but here I am.
Wow! All right, well, thank you, Maria. And of course, we can't wait to see her next year as she plays again for us here on the Suncoast. But she's going to go off to college soon, and we want to wish you the best on your 3rd year of college. Aww.